Teacher Tessa. Ready when you are to start.
Okay, I'm ready. Good morning, grade 2s. Friday today, we are back. It's literacy, the 29th of May 2020. And after this lesson and your homework, the weekend is going to start for everybody. Now, let's see our homework from yesterday. You had to give plurals, or it's more than one, for the following words. If you take road and you want to make it a plural, you put an S on, then it's roads. Brush gets a ES on, then it's brushes. Ships plus S is ships. You can mark all along as we do it. Dish plus ES is dishes. Sheep, aha, stays sheep. Bath plus S is baths. Match gets a ES on, matches. Shoe plus S makes shoes, and bunch, one bunch of flowers, many bunches of flowers. Right, that brings us now to today's work. But before that, we need to read our sight words. Right. Are you ready? We're going to read. Read along with me, please. Let's do ride, sing, some, they, fast, well, why. Let's do it again, but a little faster. Ride, sing, some, they, fast, well, why. Let's give it one more time. We will say ride, fast, sing, well, some, why, they. So far, so good. Now you will say, remember, it's the end of the week and we're kind of doing a little bit of revision of what we did during the week. So we are concentrating more on L and double L words. We are going to create our own words in this one. So they are the words in the block. You're going to look at the picture and then you're going to say which word did you pick to match the picture. Right, I see Bess' hand is up. Bess, your turn. Bess, what is that boy doing?
He's calling.
Yes, call. Well done. Let me see if it's going to appear. Oh, sorry. Call. That's good. Thank you,
Yes.
Bess. Right. Oh, Ntukozu is your name. Did I say your name correctly? Ntukozu? Do I pronounce your name correctly? Are you ready to say the second one, the one under call? What is that? What is that thing under the boy calling?
Drill.
Drill. Well done. Next one is Caitlin. I didn't hear Caitlin. Are you new, Caitlin?
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome. And what's this one under the drill?
That's a bell, ma'am.
Well done, Caitlin. Right. Now, Katija? What? Katija, are you there?
I'm not Khadija, I'm Aisha.
Are you Aisha? I can't see your name, but Aisha, you are unmuted. So what's under bell? What look at this guy. He's a tall guy. Kaisha, okay.
Aisha.
That's it. Now, Oribetse, what's the last one under the tall man?
It's the wall.
It's the wall. Now, we are going to the next one on the top. What is that? Sizipu, you get it. You're lucky you get an easy one.
It's a ball.
Yeah, and what is the, just say the one under the ball. What is that?
A doll.
A doll. Good. Now, Paul, are you ready to tell me what happens now? Don't look at what you see. Look what happens there. Paul, which word will you choose to
Build.
match that pictures? What happens there? It's ink. What happens to the ink?
It's build.
Yep, that's good. Okay. Right, now, Bess. What is happening there? Can you figure out this? It's like someone is whispering something in a friend's ear. What do they do?
They are
Pick a word from the block.
telling.
Tell, well done. Now, Pabalo. Okay, the last one. Can you make out what that picture say? What is that? It is. Okay, wait, I couldn't hear you. What did you say?
Pears.
Oh, yes, that's good. Good. Now, so far, so good, guys. Now, let's get on with the work. What's another revision we can look at today? Meaning of words. Here we have the word heal and spill and drill, pull, doll, and ink. We're going to find the correct word to fit the sentence. So here I'm going to ask a question and you are going to give me the answers. The back part of your foot is called what? Nduvo. Nduvo? Oops. Let me just mute you. Oh, did you unmute
It's
yourself?
called a heel.
It's called a heel.
It's called a heel.
Yeah, can you walk on your heel?
Yes.
Yeah, it's nice to walk on your heel. I like it a lot to walk on my heels with my toes in the air. Now, if your milk falls out of your cup, what do we call that? Ntukuzu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, if your milk falls out of your cup, what do we call that? What happens? You say, my milk?
Spill.
Spill. Yes, good. Bess. Bess, if you drink it when you do not feel well. What do we drink when we do not feel well?
Pills.
We drink pills. Good. And what do we do to make a hole in the wall? Kaicha? Kaicha?
My name is Natasha. My name is Aisha.
Is it Aisha? But
Yes.
do you spell it with a K in the beginning?
No, A. Aisha.
I think then I've got the wrong person here, but it doesn't matter, Aisha. Give me the answer. If you want to make a hole in the wall, what do we use?
Drill.
A drill. Okay. Now, let's see if is there someone else that I didn't give a chance? Orebetse, your turn. The liquid in a pen is called what? Orebetse? Do you know the liquid? Yes, or Rebecca, what is that? What do we call the liquid in a pen? Okay, then I'm going to ask someone else. Okay, Ntukuzu,
Yes.
what is the liquid in a pen called?
Ink.
It's called ink. Right, and let's do the last one together. Girls like to play with it. Yes, a doll. Okay. Now, again, we are going to interact here. I'm going to ask again names to give me the correct word that match the picture. Right. Now here we need to look at spelling. So you have to look at the spelling words and choose the right word to fit the picture. That guy of the first picture, he drove or ride or write. Bess. He ride a bike. Yes. Thank you, Bess. Now, Paul. What do you see there? Is it a tub or a tube or a basin? Oops, it takes a long. Just wait, Paul. I can't hear yet. Are you not muted? I'm going to mute you. Now, let me try again. Oh, yo. Paul. Oops. Paul, I can't get you muted. So I'm going to go to Ntukozu again. What do you call it? Is it a tub or a tube or a basin?
Tub.
A tub. Why do you say it's a tub and not a basin?
Because it's a bathtub.
Yes, it's a bathtub. It's bigger than a basin. It's a bigger one. We call it a tub. Clever. Katija. Which C is the correct one there? If you see that picture, which word will you choose there for the correct one? The sea, or the river?
The sea.
How will you spell it? Read it out for me.
S-E-A-C.
Clever girl. Thank you. Right. Now, bead, buds, or beads? Caitlin.
My God.
Okay. So, Orebetse, you will do that one again because the others are laughing at us. It's a bean and a bud and beads.
So like no more playing. Like what? You wanted to do the beats now.
Yeah. Which one is it?
Beads.
I wanted beads. Yeah, correct. And now, if we look at that shoe, which heel you going to pick here? Is it a heel or a toe or a heel? Best, that's an answer for a girl. Let me see. Yeah, Best's answer.
Heel.
It's heel. Thank you. That is it. That was a good exercise. Now this one we are going to do together. This is more practice on putting an L before the word to make it up, to match the picture. We are going to say it all together because this is such an easy one. Let me see if I can get my pointer and pen out and try and write nice L's. If we put an L here, it's a letter. Can you see that is the letter here? That's the letter. The postman is bringing a L for letter. If we put an L here with this word, it makes it lizard. If we put an L in front of that picture, it's a lion. If we put an L in front of this one, it's L for lamp and a L for lorry. And the last one, a L for leaf. Okay, so it's letter, lizard, lion, lamp, lorry, leaf. We can read the words together one more time. Letter, lizard, lion, lamp, lorry, leaf. Now homework. Yeah. It's Friday, but we need to do homework. It's nice homework. You are going to pick a letter to fit and make up a word. Are you going to pick an A or a or a e or a or a o or a e? So there are your words. What will that make up? That's one. All your words here, you choose the correct letter to match the word. Okay, you need to actually take a snapshot of this. Otherwise, you won't remember all the words you have to make up. Are you taking them? Okay. I'll give it another minute. Maybe if you're good and fast, you can quickly write them down. And you need to do this in your homework book or on a piece of paper. And you can email it to me, to my email address. And then I will mark it for you and send your answer back. And thank you for those who are doing it. I love it. Are we done here? You have the words here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little words. And you had to fill in a letter to make it complete. Now, next Monday, I will see you at 10 o'clock. Enjoy the weekend, but don't go away. I have a surprise for you. I have something for you. Don't go. I just want to remind you again, Monday morning, 10 o'clock. Oops, where's my surprise now? Oh, I think I made a joke. It's not a surprise for today. I'll keep the surprise for next week. Okay, guys, then I'll see you. Enjoy your weekend. It's going to start just after you finished your homework. Then you are free to relax. Have a good weekend. Goodbye.